The commercial case. Any economic assessment of a proposed heat pump project will need an adequately capture all the capital costs associated with the installation, operational costs including electricity, maintenance and replacement costs of equipment. These costs are then compared with a counterfactual case, business as usual costs or those of an alternative low carbon solution. Additional social benefits and social costs of solutions should be captured, such as those resulting from carbon emissions and changes to air quality. Design choices can also impact return on investment. For example, specifying multiple smaller module heat pumps to meet part load efficiencies, thereby eliminating the need for a large, inefficient thermal store, have been shown to pay back the increased capital costs in 3 to 5 years. However, specific operational scenarios and system optimizations can yield significantly faster returns. For those looking to make commercial case for a heat pump installation, CIBSE AM 17 2022 Heat Pump Installations for Large Non-Domestic Buildings points readers to guidance provided by HM Treasury. It's the Green Book Central Government Guidance on Appraisal and Evaluation HM Treasury 2020 provides broad guidance on the appraisal of projects. Supplementary tables published with the Green Book provide future carbon and energy cost projections for use in economic modules. Ultimately, successful commercial heat pump strategies rely on the engineer's ability to balance refrigerant properties, hydraulic architecture, and building loads. By moving beyond introductory descriptions and focusing on high-lift thermodynamics, cascaded configurations and robust control narratives, the industry can deliver systems that meet regulatory requirements such as Part L and the urgent mandate for building decarbonisation. With the building services industry undergoing a paradigm shift as it strives to improve energy efficiency of new and existing buildings and make them inherently safer, members of CIBSE need to focus their learning and development on key industry issues. Members of CIBSE and other professional bodies are required to maintain their professional competence throughout their careers. Please visit the link in the description should you wish to obtain a certificate to keep on your CPD record.